Hey everyone, this is a Hunter Oakhurst ceiling fan. I honestly forgot the date. I got it for free on Marketplace. It was like a mystery fan. It was in like two garbage bags. Like it was like the only thing. Like they were clean garbage bags, obviously, but like there were no pictures of the actual fan, and this is what I ended up getting. I just put it to test out, but I'm gonna take it down. I just wanted to record a video of it before I take it down. So here's low. It's actually not that slow. There's low. For some reason, it's not very fast on low. I'm going to medium. It's kind of slow and medium too, but I mean it's pretty average. The newer Hunters do have like slow lows and mediums and slow mediums, so yeah, I get that. Anyways, here's high. It actually runs pretty well on high for what it is. And it blows quite a bit of air as well. It's very surprising how much air this blows. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.